You study English every day, but nothing really changes. Your speaking still feels slow. Your brain still feels blocked. Many students feel completely stuck. They watch endless English videos. They memorize difficult grammar rules. Then they forget everything later. One student changed everything fast. He stopped using old methods. He followed one simple daily system. His English suddenly became smoother. This system needs 15 minutes only. No expensive English courses needed. No giant grammar books required. No stress during busy days. Most people study incorrectly every day. They focus only on grammar. They fear making speaking mistakes. Their confidence slowly becomes weaker. Your brain needs repeated English patterns. Short daily practice works better. Small habits create faster improvement. Consistency changes everything slowly. Imagine speaking without translating constantly. Imagine answering questions naturally. Imagine understanding movies much faster. This system helps that happen. The secret is simple repetition, but repetition must feel natural. Your brain loves repeated daily actions. Strong habits grow very quickly. First, stop studying for hours. Long sessions destroy your motivation. Your brain becomes tired very fast. Short sessions feel much easier. 15 minutes feels very small. Your brain accepts small challenges. Small tasks reduce mental pressure. That creates daily consistency naturally. Now let's build the system. The system has 3 parts. Each part trains different skills. Together, they improve your English. The first part builds listening power. The second improves speaking speed. The third strengthens vocabulary naturally. All parts work together daily. Start every morning with listening. Choose very simple English content. Avoid difficult academic English videos. Simple speech works much better. Listen while eating breakfast calmly. Listen while walking outside slowly. Listen during small free moments. Your ears need daily exposure. Do not translate every sentence. Just focus on understanding ideas. Your brain learns patterns naturally. Translation slows your progress greatly. Many learners fear unknown words. They stop every few seconds. Then listening becomes extremely frustrating. Never pause too much initially. Instead, continue listening comfortably. Your brain catches repeated words later. Repetition creates understanding over time. Patience matters during this process. After listening, start shadowing immediately. Shadowing means copying spoken English instantly. You repeat after native speakers. This trains speaking rhythm naturally. Your pronunciation improves much faster. Your speaking becomes more automatic. Your mouth remembers English sounds better. Confidence grows every single week. Do not worry about perfection. Perfect pronunciation needs long practice. Small improvement matters much more. Progress always starts very slowly. Choose short audio clips daily. 30 seconds is completely enough. Repeat the same clip often. Repetition builds speaking muscle memory. At first, speaking feels uncomfortable. Your sentences may sound strange. Your pronunciation may feel weak. That feeling is completely normal. Every strong speaker started similarly. Nobody sounded perfect immediately. Every learner struggled during practice. Improvement always requires uncomfortable moments. Next comes vocabulary training daily. Forget giant vocabulary lists completely. They usually destroy your motivation. Simple vocabulary works much better. Learn words from real situations. Learn phrases from daily conversations. Context helps memory stay stronger. Isolated words disappear very quickly. For example, learn useful expressions. How was your day today? I need some extra time. That sounds really interesting actually. These phrases appear everywhere naturally. Native speakers use them constantly. Repeated exposure strengthens your memory. Soon, they feel completely automatic. Write useful phrases inside notebooks. Review them before sleeping nightly. Your brain remembers information during sleep. Night review improves memory strongly. Never memorize hundreds of phrases. Small groups work much better. 5 phrases daily feels manageable. Consistency matters more than quantity. This system looks very simple, but simple systems often succeed. Difficult systems usually fail quickly. Simplicity creates long-term daily habits. Some learners want instant fluency. They expect magic improvement overnight. Real progress needs repeated action. Patience creates lasting English ability. 1 month changes your confidence noticeably. 3 months changes your speaking greatly. 1 year changes your entire life. Small habits create huge results. Now let's continue the system. Most students quit too early. They expect instant speaking improvement. Then motivation slowly disappears completely. Motivation changes every single day. Some days feel very productive. Some days feel completely terrible. Discipline matters much more instead. Your system must feel easy. Difficult routines never survive long. Easy routines become automatic habits. Habits create real long-term success. 15 minutes feels very realistic. Even busy students can practice. Even workers can find time. Small practice always feels possible. Morning practice works extremely well. Your brain feels fresh early. Focus becomes much stronger naturally. English enters your mind easier. But any time still works. Evening practice helps many learners. Lunch breaks also feel useful. Consistency matters more than timing. Create one fixed study location. Your brain loves repeated environments. Habits form faster inside routines. Familiar places increase concentration naturally. Remove distractions during practice sessions. Put your phone away temporarily. Close unnecessary computer tabs immediately. Focus improves much faster afterward. Some learners multitask during practice. They check social media constantly. They lose important listening details. Attention becomes weaker every day. Deep focus creates faster progress. 10 focused minutes feel powerful. 1 distracted hour feels useless. Quality matters more than duration. Let's talk about speaking fear. Many learners avoid speaking completely. They fear embarrassing mistakes constantly. Fear blocks natural English production. Mistakes actually help your learning. Mistakes reveal weak speaking areas. Weak areas need extra practice. Practice creates stronger communication skills. Children learn through repeated mistakes. They speak without constant fear. They improve through daily repetition. Adults should learn similarly too. Simple English still sounds natural. Complexity is not always necessary. Clear communication matters much more. Confidence grows through simple success. Record your voice every week. Listen carefully afterward alone. Notice pronunciation problems calmly. Small corrections improve speaking gradually. At first, your voice sounds strange. Many learners hate hearing themselves. That feeling disappears with practice. Confidence grows little by little. Another powerful habit is thinking. Think using simple English daily. Describe objects around your room. Describe your daily actions constantly. I am opening this door. The weather feels very cold. I need coffee right now. Simple thoughts train speaking automatically. Your brain starts adapting slowly. English thoughts become more natural. Translation happens less frequently later. Speaking speed improves very noticeably. Reading also helps speaking skills. Read short English texts daily. Focus on simple, natural writing. Avoid difficult academic articles initially. Read stories with spoken dialogue. Conversations teach natural sentence patterns. Your brain copies repeated structures. Speaking becomes smoother over time. Do not study grammar endlessly. Grammar matters, but balance matters. Too much grammar creates hesitation. Speaking needs active daily usage. Many fluent speakers know basics. They use simple grammar naturally. Communication matters more than perfection. Natural practice improves grammar automatically. Another important thing is patience. Progress sometimes feels completely invisible. You may feel stuck temporarily. That happens to everyone learning. Then suddenly, something changes greatly. Listening becomes much easier suddenly. Speaking feels smoother unexpectedly. Your confidence rises very quickly. This happens through repeated exposure. Your brain collects hidden patterns. Daily practice builds strong foundations. Improvement appears after enough repetition. Never compare yourself constantly online. Everyone learns at different speeds. Some improve faster initially. Others improve steadily over years. Focus only on your progress. Yesterday's version matters most. Small daily growth becomes powerful. Consistency beats talent every time. Imagine your future English ability. Imagine confident job interviews someday. Imagine traveling without communication fear. English opens many opportunities globally. Your future changes through habits. 15 minutes sounds very small, but repeated small actions compound. Compound growth becomes extremely powerful. So start practicing today itself. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait for perfection. Start with small, simple actions. Follow this system every day. Listening strengthens your understanding greatly. Speaking builds confidence very fast. Vocabulary grows through real context. One day, English feels natural. Conversations stop feeling stressful completely. Your mind responds much faster. Confidence becomes part of you. Thank you for watching today. I hope this helped greatly. Your English journey starts now. Keep improving every single day. Subscribe for more English videos. New lessons arrive every week. We will improve together here. See you very soon.